Oh, hey, that's right. I didn't show you the room yet. Come on in and let's see our home away from home. This is our standard room here at the All-Star Sports Resort. Let's show you all of the features. Here is the room as you walk in from the door. Personally, I feel like this feels a lot more spacious than the room that we had stayed in before, but let's show you some of the features. So it has, of course, this little coffee bar. It does have a refrigerator, which is super handy if you have any leftovers or want to get groceries delivered. Here's what the little coffee bar and tea looks like. It comes with some Joffrey's standard coffee, and then they do have decaf as well. You got Earl Grey and some green tea, some sugar package, some creamer, little cups. It is one of these Brew 2 Cuisinart coffee makers, so you just pour the water in. An ice maker, some more. Oh, we've got more lighting here. And then there is a thermostat as well, so you can turn it up or down depending on how you like it. There are these little shades so you can block out or have more lighting into your room. This is our room view. We've got a pool view room, which is so fun here at the All-Stars. But here's some other things in the room. So this is really interesting. It comes with a kitchen table if you wanted to sit down and eat or just relax after a day at the park. It does pull down into another queen size bed, which we'll show a little bit later whenever it's bedtime. If you wanted to unpack, what's inside here is a little bit of other pillows. There's some shelves, there's a safe also, and then these are just drawers, so you can unpack as much as you want. But this is the main bed here in the room, and look how fun. They added a little Mickey with towels. I think that's so cute, such a cute little touch. And personally, I really love the art that they have on top of the bed, but there is a ton of lighting here in this room, and the really neat thing is if you want to have light on this side, you can turn it off and turn it on depending on how you want it. There is a little phone as well, and what I personally like to do, even though I am a 20-some-year-old Disney adult, I do love having Mickey give me a wake-up call in the morning. Then we're gonna walk into the bathroom area. There is a pull door that pulls into the vanity area, and then there's also a separate door for the bathroom. So here's what the vanity area looks like. You've got a nice big sink that you can get ready at in the morning. There's also a lot of places to store your clothes. So I already have my stuff hung up. There's also some other racks here for park bags or whatever you need. Lots of shelf space you can unpack. Lots of towels. Here is the soap that they have. So they only have soap is the only like free standing type thing. Then they do have in the shower here, we're kind of skipping ahead, but they do have the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo that are just the pumps. So they can refill that whenever they do housekeeping. But this is what the shower area looks like. It is a walk-in shower with a tub. And it has a little pull door, of course, the lovely toilet, and it does have a pull door here. Oh, and a really nice thing I actually didn't know that they had is a standing mirror. So if you wanted to look at your park outfit for the day, you can see what you look like to get ready for your park day. So that's our room here at the All-Stars. Absolutely love this room. I think it's perfect if you are traveling as a couple. There's a ton of space here. Even as a family, I think there is a lot of space since you can bring up the folding bed. I think that really adds to a lot of space. So we'll pull that down later, but this is our room. Let me know what you think of it. I don't know, I just feel like I need to get a running start and jump on the bed before we get going anymore. Woo! It's comfy. I do like it. All right, we just got back from our day out at the parks and it's evening now, bedtime. So I wanted to show you how this bed, well, how this table turns into a bed. So you have to just move the chairs out of the way and all of my stuff. And it's super easy. You just pull down and you have a whole new bed. I love the artwork. Look at little Huey, Dewey, and Louie. And I think on the inside too, or maybe there's not. I thought there is some lighting. And it's right here. There's your lighting. So this is a nice other little queen bed along with your big queen bed. Well, that is gonna do it for our stay here at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. Of all the times we've stayed at this resort, we have really enjoyed our stay, and it is a really great affordable option if you're thinking of visiting Disney World. We absolutely love the rooms. If you need any help planning a Disney vacation or any other tips when it comes to visiting Disney World, you can check out this video here. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you would ever stay at All-Star Sports Resort, and we'll see you in the next video. See you guys.